In this video, I will take you through the steps to help you make money with affiliate marketing. I'll be explaining the 9 steps anybody can follow to make money with affiliate marketing. I'll break down what affiliate marketing is all about, how it works, and most importantly, how you can start making money from it. So whether you're a beginner in affiliate marketing or you have some experience already, you are about to discover some valuable strategies to start or boost your affiliate marketing journey. But before I go into all of the details of this video, if you're new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love videos like this, please like this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, what is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible and effective ways to make money online. Now, you earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link or your referral code, as the case may be. Now, essentially, you are acting as a middleman who recommends product to a target audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link or your unique affiliate code, you earn a commission. But however, like any other business out there, success in affiliate marketing requires strategy, effort, and dedication. Now, before I go on with the video, I have something for you. Now, if you have ever wanted to make money online without creating your own digital product, this is something you need to listen to right now. Now, in case you don't know, I just launched my affiliate partner program where you can actually make money every day by just referring digital products to different people of your choice. Now, here's how it works. Now, I have digital products in crypto and in personal finance, and what you just have to do is to promote this digital product to your audience, and every time someone buys through your referral link, you earn 20% to 40% commission. That is it. Now, let me give you a real example. Now, one of my digital products is about $250. And 20% of $250 is $50. So this means that you make $50 for every single sale you make through your own referral link. So that means that if you refer just 10 people in a month, that's $500 for you. If you refer 50 people in a month, that is $1,000 for you in 1 month. And there's no maximum amount of money you can make with this program. You can make as high as you want. And let's, for example, you see maybe the $250 product is too high or expensive for the people you want to promote to. We also have digital product of $40, the ones of $35, $10, and even the one of $5. So you have different options of digital product to make money with. And the interesting thing is that you don't need experience at all. You don't need any huge following on social media too. If you have just a WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, Instagram, or maybe a YouTube channel, you qualify for this. And if you're a student, a content creator, maybe about lifestyle, finance, or anything, or maybe you're a crypto influencer, or just anyone, this is for you. Now, the link to see the full details and apply for this program is in the description below or in the pinned comment of this video. It is free to join. You don't need to pay anything to join at all, and it takes less than 2 minutes to apply, and I will personally review every application. And once you are qualified for this program, we will send you an email with everything that you need. Now let's get back into the video. Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is all about, what are the steps you need to follow for you to start making money with affiliate marketing? Now, the first step is to choose a niche. Now, the first step to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is to choose a very profitable niche. Now, your niche is a specific area or industry that you will focus on. Now, it's important to choose a niche that you are interested in or a niche that you are knowledgeable about, because you're going to be creating content and promoting products within that niche. Now, here are some things you need to consider when you are picking your niche. Now, the first thing to consider is your passion and your interest. Now, you need to choose something that you enjoy learning or talking about, because affiliate marketing requires a lot of content creation. Trust me. The second thing you need to consider is the profitability. Now, you need to look out for niches with products that have high commission rate and high demand, and where people are willing to spend money. For example, niches like health and fitness, personal finance, technology, and beauty often perform well in affiliate marketing. Now, the third thing you need to consider when you are picking a niche is to check for competition. Now, while popular niches can be profitable, they also tend to be more competitive. So consider finding a sub-niche, that is a specific niche under a larger niche. I hope you understand. For this, you can easily stand out in that sub-niche. So for example, if you're in the fitness niche, instead of creating general fitness videos, you can just focus on creating fitness videos for busy professionals. I hope you understand it. Now, the second step after picking your niche is to research and join different affiliate programs. Now, once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that are related to products or services that you want to promote. Now, many companies offer affiliate programs, but they are not all created equally. So it's very, very important that you do your research. Now, all you have to do is to look for programs that offer fair commission rate and also look out for the ones that provide quality products and services, and also look out for the ones that have strong reputation in that niche or in that industry. And there are actually three main types of affiliate programs that you can join. Now, the first type is the retail affiliate programs. Now, this is when you become an affiliate for large online retailers like Amazon, where you earn a commission for promoting products that are sold on their platforms. Now, the second type of affiliate program you can join will be digital products. Now, you need to look out for platforms that specialize in digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and softwares. Now, this type of affiliate program often have higher commission rate compared to physical products. Now, the third type of affiliate program you can join will be niche-specific affiliate programs. Now, there are many companies in specific niches or industries like the travel industry or the fitness industry or even the personal finance industry that they have their own affiliate programs. Now, you can join them and promote their products or their services. So, any of these three affiliate programs you join will be very good for you. Now, the third step after joining an affiliate program is to build a platform for your content. Now, in affiliate marketing, your content is the vehicle that drives traffic to your affiliate links. Now, to promote your affiliate product, you need a platform where you can create and distribute your content. And here are some common platforms that you can use for your affiliate marketing content. Now, the first one will be your blog or your website. Now, starting a blog or website is one of the best ways to build a long-term affiliate marketing business. You can create content such as product reviews, how-to guides, and tutorials that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Now, the second one will be a YouTube channel. Now, video content is extremely popular, and many successful affiliate marketers use YouTube to review their products and provide tutorials. And you can always include your affiliate links in the video description. Now, the third one will be social media. Now, if you have a strong following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook, you can promote your affiliate programs to your target audience through your posts, your stories, or even your videos. And the fourth platform you can use is to build an email list. Now, building an email list allows you to promote affiliate products directly to your subscribers. Email marketing is a powerful tool for driving conversions because you are reaching a targeted audience that's already interested in your content. Now, the fourth step after getting the platform to create your content is to create high-quality content. Now, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide value to your audience through high-quality content. Now, your content should focus on educating, entertaining, or solving a problem for your audience. Now, by creating helpful and engaging content, you can build trust with your readers or your viewers, making them more likely to purchase through your affiliate links. Now, some types of high-quality content that you can create are product reviews. That is, you can write or create videos reviewing products that you genuinely believe in, and also be honest and transparent about the advantages and disadvantages of any product that you are reviewing, and also provide a detailed information to help your audience make informed decisions. The second type of content you can create will be how-to guides. Now, you can create instructional content that shows your audience how to use a particular product or a particular service that you are promoting. So, for example, if you're an affiliate for a software tool, you can create a tutorial video to your audience on how to use that software tool effectively. Now, the third type of content you can create will be comparison posts. Now, if there are multiple products in your niche, you can create comparison posts that highlight the differences between them. So, for example, if you're in the personal finance niche, you can create a video comparing two investment apps, and you can use your video to promote your affiliate links to these two apps. I hope you understand. Now, after creating high-quality content, the fifth step is to drive traffic to your content. Now, creating high-quality content is the only first step. Now, to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to drive traffic to your content so that people can click on your affiliate links. Now, you can drive traffic to your content by using different methods. And the first one will be through search engine optimization. Now, by optimizing your content for search engines, you can increase organic traffic from Google and other search engines. Also, you need to know that SEO involves using keywords, creating high-quality backlinks, and ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Now, the better your content is, the higher it will rank in search results. Now, the second way to drive traffic to your content will be through social media marketing. Now, you can share your content across social media platforms to drive traffic, and you can use platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. You can use these platforms to promote your affiliate products. Now, the third way to get traffic to your content will be through paid advertising. Now, if you have a budget or you have money you can spend, you can use paid ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads to drive traffic to your affiliate content. However, you need to make sure that the commission or the money you are getting from your affiliate links is greater than the amount you are spending on the ads. Now, the fourth way to get traffic to your content will be through email marketing. Now, if you have built an email list, you can send targeted promotions to your subscribers and encourage them to check out your affiliate content or even your affiliate links. Now, once you are done getting traffic to your content, the sixth step is to promote products you believe in. Now, your audience will only trust your recommendations only if you are promoting products that you genuinely believe in. Now, always focus on promoting high-quality product that aligns with your niche and needs of your audience. Always avoid the temptation to promote every affiliate product you see out there just because you want to make money, because your reputation and your credibility are on the line right here. And when you promote product that you've personally used or that you have thoroughly researched, you can offer real value and insight to your audience. And this will build trust and increase the likelihood of conversions, which is very, very important for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Now, after promoting different affiliate products, the seventh step is to track your performance. Now, tracking your affiliate marketing effort is very important for understanding what works best and what doesn't work. Now, most affiliate programs provide analytics tools that allows you to see how many people are clicking on your links, how many conversions and commissions that you are earning. Now, you can always use this data to optimize your strategy. And you can also test different types of content, different types of call to actions, and different types of affiliate links to see what drives the most conversions for you to make money. And also, you should monitor your click-through rate and analyze which piece of content or affiliate links are generating the most clicks and conversions for you. And also, when you see the products or the links that are doing well for you, focus on promoting them heavily. Now, the next step, which is number 8, is to be transparent. Now, transparency is very important in affiliate marketing. Trust me. You need to always disclose to your audience that you are using affiliate links in your videos or in your content, because this is not only a legal requirement, it also helps you to build trust with your audience. And even when you make a video or you make a blog post, you can put simple disclosure statements like, this post contains affiliate links and I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through these links at no extra cost to you. This is very, very simple, and people will understand that, okay, you are promoting something and you are using an affiliate link. So you need to be very, very transparent to your audience. Now, before I go to the last step, don't forget to join our Telegram community, and also please subscribe to our weekly newsletter so you can be the first to know whenever we drop our new content on YouTube channel. And don't forget to visit our website, www.personalfinancecircle.com, to read our different finance articles. The links to all of this will be in the description below. Now, the last step to make money consistently with affiliate marketing is to be patient and consistent. Now, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build an audience, create valuable content, and drive conversions. Now, the most successful affiliate marketers are those who are patient, dedicated, and willing to invest time in learning and improving their strategy. And consistently creating content and promoting your affiliate product will eventually lead to growth and success for you. So that's everything you need to know. I've covered a lot of ground on affiliate marketing, from picking your niche to promoting products that you love. And remember, again, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, it takes effort, and it takes a whole lot of patience. But here's the thing, if you stick with it and create good content and genuinely help your audience, you can build something that is pretty amazing that you can make so much money from. You might just find yourself with a thriving online business in some months to come, and to give you the freedom to work on your own terms. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And if you want to learn the 7 assets you should own to make money for yourself, click on the video showing right here. And if you want to learn how to start a profitable online business in just 9 steps, click on the video showing right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.